What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I will also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making $65 to $130 per sale. That's right. $65 to $130 per sale. It's an amazing opportunity that's available right now. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. Guys, to make up to $130 per sale, we're going to be using a platform called Bluehost. For those of you that are not too familiar with Bluehost, it's basically a hosting company that hosts over 2 million website. So let's actually explore what they offer and see how you can get started. So the basic plan comes with a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate, which is like security features and whatnot of a website, one-click WordPress installation, 24/7 support, and let's actually explore a little bit more here. It's all in one website platform. Everything your website needs from the startup to its success, right? So getting started is pretty fast, built for results and peace of mind, right? That 24/7 support system is always there. And here are the plans. So the first one being shared hosting, a great place to start your website or blog. So this is all you need to get started essentially, and it goes for $3.95 per month, right? Usually goes for $7.99. For online stores, it's at $15.95, and then managed WordPress $19.95 per month. Okay, so now that you know what Bluehost is, what we want to do now is to actually sign up for the basic package, which is the $3.95 to get started with the affiliate program of theirs. And I'm going to actually dive deep into how to sign up, how to promote your links, and generate up to $130 per sale. So to get started with the affiliate program, you would click on affiliates here, and then it will take you to this page here. So refer visitors to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified sign up. So it couldn't be more simpler, right? So the starting point is $65 for each sale, and it goes all the way to $130. So it's a numbers game, and there's no cap to how many people that you can refer. So to sign up, you would click on this sign up button over here, and then you would fill in your login information. So account username, password, first name, last name. Also need a PayPal account, and then you also agree to the affiliate terms and conditions and privacy, right? And you click the sign up button over here. So once your application is reviewed, you'll be able to sign into your account and then get access and get all the links to, Now let's actually see how you can promote your link, right? So this is the most important part in this whole process, because if you cannot drive traffic to your link, no one would see it, you won't get signups, and you won't get the commission, right? Affiliate program, it's because it's one of the most popular and well-known web hosting companies on the market, and they have highly successful affiliate program. The program is so popular and successful that Bluehost has paid out more than $5 million in commissions last year, right? So that's mind-blowing, and there's huge opportunity for everybody to get a piece of this pie. I've already went over how to join the Bluehost affiliate program. So to do that, just one more time here, you'll go over to bluehost.com, and then you would click on the affiliates tab here, or also you can find the link down here all the way. So you go over to programs, and then you would click on the affiliates tab, and this would take you also to the sign up page. Straightforward to sign up. And then once you do that, let's just go back to our notes here. Sign note. So you would need a PayPal account to receive payments. So if you don't have one already, go over to PayPal and create one before joining Bluehost affiliate program. So now let's look into how you can promote Bluehost with affiliate links. So the best way and free method is to use YouTube, right? So you basically create a Bluehost review video on YouTube. It's pretty simple. I'll actually share a few examples in a second. I want to use YouTube because 90% of viewers say that product videos are helpful in decision process, and these videos are a fantastic way to turn your interested individuals into paying Bluehost customers. And then the second method is to write a blog post about starting a WordPress blog, right, with Bluehost. So let me just go over to YouTube and then show you a few videos that are doing well with this method. As you can see, I typed in Bluehost review and the numbers look amazing. So the overall score is very high here, being 81 out of 100. Volume being 65. Competition very low. So this keyword phrase here has a lot of potential. But this video was uploaded 3 months ago and it has 43,000 views. Okay, so this review was done 2 months ago and it has 39,000 views with only 372 subscribers, right? So this goes to show you that you don't have to have tons of subscribers to, implement this method. It's free to start. Just put your link in your descriptions and generate sales that way.